Hi, this is Leah Schaefer on behalf of ExpertVillage. Today we're going to learn how to make a healthy vegetarian Lebanese feast. Okay, so we're going to take 1/2 of the lemon, I'm going to put it over a bowl, and I am just going to juice it this way. Now typically you would think if I'm juicing something you're going to go like that, but I don't want to fish the seeds out. So I'm going to hold it up this way, and I am just going to squeeze it, and watch all the juice squeeze out the sides. Any seeds that are in there are going to get caught right in the middle here. So again, squeeze. And if 1 or 2 sneaks out, I'll just fish those out. It's a lot easier than all of them. And I will just hold some of that in there with my fingers, tilt it, and this is coming out really nicely. The microwave trick always does it. Okay. And we'll move on to this side. It's okay if you get some of the pulp. This is going in the food processor anyway, so it's not a huge deal. It's okay for hummus to have a little bit of texture. See how the seeds are getting caught in there? If I see a seed sneaking out, I'll just push it to the side. Okay. Now, one last step. I'll take the side of a spoon and press just to get anything I couldn't get with my fingers. And there might be a little bit left in this one, so I'll go ahead and try it again. Get rid of that seed. No, I did a pretty good job on that one. There's not too much left. And that's going to give you a couple tablespoons. That'll be plenty for the hummus.